We gon' roll the boat, we gon' roll the boat, we gon' roll the boat, we gon' roll the boat. Now roll, shake your booty now, bounce your titties, stop acting pretty, get jiggy with it, get low, low. Step up, twinkle toes!
Now that, no.
You think we suck? Well, do you really think that we don't know we suck? We're drinking 40s, already loaded. You don't know shit that I know, and you're shit, and you don't know shit that I know, and you're shit, and you don't know shit that I know, and you're.
Another. Yeah, he's been scaring people, and guess what happened? It's been fun. It was cool, it's fun. Wait. That is not funny. No, it wasn't. Shut up. I know you won't. I'm stronger than you. What do you mean, who cares? I'll kick your ass. Because I'm bigger than you. Yeah, I am. What do you mean? Alright, see ya. Bye. Sucks.
Pooh story. I mean that sounds terrific. Do we have can you set the mood for that?
Yeah. Got some happy music.
And how do you fit all that in your briefcase incidentally each and every day?
I got tons of stuff in here. Pooh Goes Ape S. That's the title of the story by A.A. Milne. I'm going to read this in the same style that I read something to Bart. Bart and I...
Hey, Mo.
Ecstasy.
Bigfoot spot.